Hi guys, today Gacha Nebula is going to be released. Before I show you how to get it, here are some of my favorite new things. These new wings, oh my god. New eyebrows too. New pants you will love. New earrings by Akio. My favorite new props. And of course the Mikaru pose. So Nakula said on Discord we can download the beta version. The entire Discord was going crazy today. Okay, let me show you how to do it. It's super easy and won't take long, just follow my instructions. Google this and click on it VIP plugin. Type in Nebula and tap on Gacha Nebula. Click on install and it should install Nebula. Wait for it to finish installing, it should not take long. Now you can play. Make sure to get the other files needed. Let me know what you guys think of it. I'm loving it. PLS subscribe.